Working with Yvonne is tremendous. She cares about people, which is what we really want, right, here in HR especially, but also she's an amazing team player. Not only does she pay attention to her desk, but she's constantly seeking how she can help our team.
I think that one of Yvonne's most outstanding qualities would be her ability to jump in and help no matter what the task is, no matter who's asking or who's needing. Sometimes it's not even that we're asking. She sees the need and she jumps in and volunteers to help.
No, she completely ignores them. I'm just kidding. She's actually my cousin.
She's the backbone of support. Each of us does our own little niche, but she takes the time to learn what we do so that she can support us. So I would say she's definitely the support.
I want to make sure that everyone has a good day when they come in and, just being positive, be that positive personality that people see when they come into human resources.
She always tells us, good morning. She's always in a good mood. You never see her upset or angry. She's really nice.
Every day I know that if she's here, it's going to be a good day.
So one of the big things that Yvonne has done is, people maybe don't know, but before when we had substitutes, if a teacher was going to be absent and we needed a sub, we contracted through an agency. So these were not our employees that were coming and providing service here. Great, wonderful people, but they weren't our employees. They weren't necessarily invested in PUSD. So what Yvonne has single-handedly done is she has recruited an entire pool of people who now work for us. They live in the community, they have kids in the community, they're committed to PUSD, and I think that's a big job.
A couple of substitutes, they call her maybe on a daily or weekly and just say, hey, is there any jobs for me, instead of them kind of going in because they're not sure how to. So she will gladly go through week by week, even day by day with the substitute, regardless if it'll take 20 minutes, 5 minutes, or even an hour. But she will gladly go step by step with our substitutes.
It's been a blessing for me to get to know Yvonne over these past 7 months or so. My first day here, she was the first one to welcome me and help me kind of figure out my day and what my first day was going to look like. She didn't have to. She's not in a supervisory role, but she kind of took that on because I think she saw me with my big eyes, wondering what I was supposed to be doing for that day. So we've actually gotten, pretty close in that she's one of the people that I lean on. And she's just an amazing person. She really is.
Every morning when you meet her, no matter what kind of morning she's having, she's very joyful. She was actually in my interview when I interviewed for this position, and she was the first smiling face that I saw. And then on my first day, I saw her again, and it was just so welcoming.
I am a product of PUSD. I went to school here. My kids come here. I have a lot of family in PUSD. I think I'm very much devoted to PUSD. I always think back on our families who don't necessarily know where they're going when they come to the district office. When, if my relatives, family members were to come here, how would I want them to be welcomed? I truly care for the success of PUSD. As a parent, I always look into the perspective of, at the end of the day, I am a parent, and I want us all to be successful, and it trickles all the way down to my kids' education.
Yvonne, congratulations. You are so deserving of this reward. We're absolutely thrilled for you. Thank you for everything you do, not only for HR, not only for PUSD, but for our entire community.
Yvonne, congratulations. Enjoy this celebration of how great you are.
Congratulations, Yvonne. You deserve this recognition.
Yvonne, I know that you are one of the most humble people that I have ever known. However, I want you to know that you deserve this. You are one of the most incredible people I've ever known or ever worked with, and I want to wish you congratulations.
Congratulations, Yvonne. We're so proud of you here in the Human Resources Department. Keep up the good work.
First and foremost, I want to just thank my colleagues, all of the people that I work with here in my department. I think without them, I really wouldn't be here, just because everyone has done just a little bit to kind of guide me and mentor me here. Also, you know, my leaders, my leadership team here, you know, Dr. Canal and Dr. Alcazar have made a really great impact since coming into PUSD. And so I just wanted to say thank you to Human Resources in general, and thank you to PUSD.